Welcome to Goddard Garage and Goddard Adventure. In this episode, we drive up to HRG Off-Road's shop and check out the work they did on our new 2024 Honda Passport Trailsport. How big do you think the beast kit's gonna be? Yeah, I see it. It is definitely up there.
Destination will be on the right.
All right, so how many hours driving now? 9 hours? We got 3 more left.
Something like that.
Yeah, so 9 hours of driving to get her lifted. And there she is.
The tires don't look so bad, but they definitely look tiny.
Yeah, they do look tiny. Yep, so we got to get some bigger tires, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, does it feel any different?
It's going to be like having to jump in.
Yeah, I'm close enough now, I think. Does it feel any taller?
Yeah, it feels taller.
Yeah, and the new tires, like I said, they're going to lift it another inch at least.
How long smoke I get
Some of the modifications that I have coming up, the transmission cooler and whatnot, I think are going to be a little easier now. Yeah, so that doesn't look bad at all right here in the front. I was curious how this transition would look, but looks good. You got the plastic put back nice as well, but got a lot more clearance under here. With the subframe drop, your exhaust, like I said, drops down lower, so that's the one thing you definitely notice from the side. Yeah, he replaced, those are all the original bolts and sway bar links. This ground isn't exactly even here. We're on kind of a downward slope. So when we park it on even ground, it'll be interesting to see. But the Passport obviously doesn't have the increased tire size yet. But you know, the Pilot's lift is not that uncomparable. It looks like our control arms are pushed down more aggressively on the Pilot and than the Passport. That probably means the Passport's got a little bit closer to the original geometry. The Passport has a 2-inch subframe drop and the Pilot has a 1-inch subframe drop, so that makes sense. Theoretically, in the future, if we wanted, we might be able to try to make the Passport a little taller, but in the short term, I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Well, the tires are going to make it taller, and we're
Yeah.
never going to fit in another parking garage ever again.
Yeah, we're looking at the height of the Pilot because the Pilot doesn't fit into parking garages very well. And the Passport, before we even get the bigger tires, is already looking like it won't fit in even without anything on the roof. But we'll have to do some measurements after that. We just got word from Ben that he is going to be, I think, doing some pre-camping for the All-Wheel Drive Festival coming up. So he won't be here to show off our new Beast Kit here on the 2024 Honda Passport, but I'm definitely really excited. We are really pleased with this lift kit here on the Passport, and I think once I get the new tires on it, it is gonna look awesome. It's gonna look intense. It's gonna be at least an inch higher, and you know, it's gonna be quite the build here. Ben really did us well and got us started off right. So go ahead and check out HRG. Ben is sending me a discount code that I'll post in the link in the description below. If you want to lift your Honda like us, go ahead and check that out. So I think we're going to start the long journey back. We've put about 12 hours of driving into this lift process, dropping it off here at HRG. But I would say it's well worth it. I was getting the navigation going. I feel a little taller than I used to.
Think?
Yeah.
Continue on Newton Hill Road for half a mile.
We've put nearly 900 trouble-free miles on our Beast Kit lifted Honda Passport already. Stay tuned for the next adventure where we deliver aid to our family in Aiken that's lost power from Hurricane Helena. If you like these adventures and like keeping up with our builds, consider liking and subscribing. If you could check out Goddard Garage and give a like there, that'd really help us out. We'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Aaron, out.